Remember when we talked about JetBlue and the weekly market report? Well, today they delivered. This wasn't just a regular earnings report. If you watched this week's market report with the Wall Street Yardie, you already saw JetBlue was on the watch list. Today, the stock jumped all the way up 11%, and now it's closing right around 9.5% up. But here's the important part. This move didn't just start this morning. It happened when Spirit went out of business earlier in the quarter. JetBlue stepped right on in and started claiming their stake for the gates at LaGuardia and also the gates in Fort Lauderdale. They now hold 36% of the gates in Fort Lauderdale, making them the largest carrier in that airport. And they are now delivering flights to the South Florida area, bigger than almost anybody else outside of America. Now that Spirit is out of the market, there's no more competition. This means they have the power to increase pricing. They have better pricing power. The market loves that. They also have more routes and stronger routes because they have all the extra gates now. They can fly more flights between those routes. So their revenue expectations are growing. The market loves that. And this is why the stock popped 11% today. All right. Did you catch this setup when I talked about it on the weekly market report? If so, make sure you save the reel. Comment that you caught this move. And then also make sure if you missed it, that you go watch the weekly market report, like and subscribe on YouTube so you catch the next one.